guys, let's continue. So for the Bowman 0809 Bowman Draft Spec and Stars, that's last. Bowman Chroma, Mitski, Dorsey, rookie, Durant, and our second hit. I think this is it. Last hit. Dirk Nowitzki. Jersey. Yeah, no. Alright, Molly Chalmers. I think that was the last hit. Not the hit. Way to go, my first ever YouTube basketball box break. It's crap. Larry Hughes, Nick Young, Glass Haven, Andrew Miller, Vince Carter Blue, number 499. That's not clear. Sean Singletary. Three packs left. Didn't even get one single Derrick Rose card. Oh, sorry about that. Kevin Martin, Chrome, Patrick Ewing again. Card Patrick Ewing. Rodney Stuckey, Red, DJ Ford, Nicholas Batum. Rookie card. Last two packs. LeBron James Chrome, School, Dante Green, Bowman Chrome, Jeff Green, Donnie Green, Steel, Alexis something, blah blah, I don't know. Last pack. Andre Iguodala, Chrome, Andrew Bogut, Carter, Moon, Josh Howard, 499, Ricardo, JaVale McGee, and that's it. Not one Derrick Rose rookie card. Oh, sad. Just a recap of my hits. I got first Dirk Nowitzki, Bowman jersey, not numbered. Next, my second hit is a draft day issue jersey of Russell Westbrook. It's numbered 374 of 399. For my auto, not that good. Chris Douglas Roberts of the New Jersey Nets auto, but the number is pretty low there. It's number 45 of 50. Chris Douglas Roberts. Alright guys, thanks, and for my next box I'll be busting Topps Co-Signer. I'll be busting this next, so I'll see ya.